NDAX Exchange App. The pros, the cons. The NDAX Exchange App is a Canadian cryptocurrency platform offering trading, investing, and secure storage. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just a basic exchange. The surprising truth is that NDAX provides advanced trading features, high liquidity, and robust security for Canadian users. Pros include support for multiple cryptocurrencies, CAD deposits and withdrawals, and competitive trading fees. The app provides advanced charting tools, recurring buys, and staking options for certain coins. Security is strong with two-factor authentication, cold storage, and insurance coverage on digital assets. Cons include limited international availability and slightly higher fees for smaller transactions. Beginners may find advanced features a bit overwhelming at first. In conclusion, the NDAX Exchange App is ideal for Canadians who want a secure, regulated, and feature-rich crypto platform. It works well for both beginners looking to invest safely and advanced traders seeking more control and options.